Learn with Zara, an educational channel.
Do not touch the switch.
I will not do this.
Do not run in the house.
I will walk carefully.
Do not eat candy before dinner.
I won't eat it.
Do not talk with your mouth full.
I will wait until I finish eating.
Do not go outside without your shoes.
I will wear my shoes.
Do not jump on the couch.
I will sit quietly.
Do not play with sharp objects.
I won't touch them.
Do not leave your toys on the floor.
I will clean them up.
Do not speak loudly in the library.
I will be quiet.
Do not play near the road.
I will stay away from the road.
Do not climb on the furniture.
I will stay on the floor.
Do not pull the dog's tail.
I will be gentle with the dog.
Do not forget to say please.
I will always say, please.
Do not draw on the walls.
I will only draw on paper.
Do not touch the stove.
I will stay away from the stove.
Do not eat too much candy.
I will eat just a little.
Do not scream inside the house.
I will use my inside voice.
Do not run with scissors.
I will walk with them carefully.
Do not stay up too late.
I will go to bed on time.
Do not leave your homework unfinished.
I will finish my homework.
Do not fight with your brother.
I will be nice to him.
Do not forget to wash your hands.
I will wash them before I eat.
Do not use your tablet for too long.
I will take a break.
Do not leave your bike outside in the rain.
I will bring it inside.
Do not drink too much soda.
I will have water instead.
Do not go to bed without brushing your teeth.
I will brush my teeth.
Do not skip your breakfast.
I will eat it.
Do not be rude to others.
I will be polite.
Do not interrupt when others are speaking.
I will wait for my turn.
Do not forget to put on sunscreen.
I will wear it.
Do not pick your nose in public.
I will use a tissue.
Do not forget to buckle your seatbelt.
I will always buckle up.
Do not leave the water running.
I will turn it off.
Do not talk to strangers.
I will only talk to people I know.
Do not swim alone.
I will swim with someone.
Do not leave the fridge door open.
I will close it after I take what I need.
Do not put too much food on your plate.
I will take only what I can eat.
Do not play with fire.
I will stay away from fire.
Do not litter.
I will throw my trash in the bin.
Do not hit your friends.
I will be kind to them.
Do not watch TV for too long.
I will turn it off after my show.
Do not slam the door.
I will close it gently.
Do not leave your shoes in the hallway.
I will put them in the closet.
Do not leave the lights on.
I will turn them off when I leave the room.
Do not play video games all day.
I will play outside too.
Do not ignore your chores.
I will do them on time.
Do not talk back to adults.
I will listen respectfully.
Do not chew with your mouth open.
I will chew with my mouth closed.
Do not forget your jacket when it's cold.
I will wear it.
Do not forget to say thank you.
I will always say thank you.
Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye!